Welcome back Key Stage 1 to your final day of your phonics lessons for this week. We're going to start by recapping just some of those set 3 sounds that you've been learning, and then we'll be learning yet another set 3 sound. Okay, are you ready for the recap? So when I show you the card, you need to say the sound to go with it. Here we go. Well done. And this was our sound that we learnt yesterday. Do you remember it? That's right, it's the owl sound. And if we turn over, what have we got on the back? Fantastic, we've got our brown cow. Well remembered. We've got yet another digraph to learn today. Okay, and that sound is A. Or do I say, you say? A, A, A. A, A, A. Super duper. And which 2 letters make up our A sound today? That's right, an A and an I. So if it's 2 letters coming together to make one sound, what do we call that? Superstars. It's a digraph. And this is our digraph today, A sound. Turn over to our little picture on the back, and here I have got a snail in the rain. There he is. Or do I say, you say? Snail in the rain. Snail in the rain. Fantastic. I'm going to pop our new sound up here. If you could get your pen or pencil ready to write our new sound, we need to join up those 2 letters. So if you can see the bottom of the A here, we're going to be joining that up to the I. Okay, have a look at how I do it. All around the apple, join at the bottom, and then dot my I is the very last thing that I do, is dot my I. Okay, have a go. We'll have another watch if you want to. And one more time. Fantastic. All right. Now we need to have a go at Fred talking some of those green words. Let me see if I can see those Freddy fingers. Wiggle them at me. Well done, I can see them. Okay, we're going to have a go at reading some words with our new sound in, which is the A sound. That's right. Here's our first word. Remember, it'd be my turn first. Then we'll do it together, and then it'll be your turn. S-n-a-l. Snail. Do it with me. S-n-a-l. Snail. Your turn. Snail. Well done. T-a-l. Tail. Try it with me. T-a-l. Tail. Well done, your turn. Tail. T-r-a-n. Train. Try it with me. T-r-a-n. Train. Well done, your turn. Train. Fantastic. And last but not least, paid. Paid. Try it with me. Paid. Paid. Now it's your turn. Paid. Well done. All right, now we need to nod those sounds out in our head. So don't say the sounds out loud. Only say them in your head, and then when I push it forwards, read that whole word. Okay, let's give them a shuffle. Here we go. Tail, well done. snail. Fantastic. Paid. Superstars. And last one. Train. Well done. All right, I'm going to add in 2 sneaky green words here to my pack, ready for my speed read. So I'm going to read them quickly for you. So have a listen and then it'll be your turn to read them speedily. Here we go. Train. Paint. Rain. Oh, snail. Paid. And that final one there, tail. Well done. Now it's your turn. Are you ready? Fantastic job, well done. Okay, now we've had a go at reading them, what do we need to do next? That's right, we need to have a go at writing them. So, get your pen or pencil ready. We'll do the first one together like normal, and then the second one you can try it on your own first. Okay, first word I'd like us to try is rain. I say, you say, rain, rain. Okay, let's sound it out on our Freddy fingers. Rain. R-A-N. Rain. R-A-N. Sound buttons. Dot for the line for our new A sound, and a dot for the Super duper. Okay, the word I'd like you to try on your own. Paint. Would you, I say, you say. Paint. Paint. Okay, sound out that word on your fingers, write it down and pop your sound buttons on, please. Paint. Paint. Okay, well done if you have finished. If you're not quite finished, then pause the video and then play it again once you've written it down. All right, paint. P-A-N-T. Paint. See how I didn't take my pen off the board there until I needed to dot my T and, cross my T and dot my I right at the very end. So pop those sound buttons on as well. Dot for the P, line for our A sound, dot for the N, dot for the T. And then I'd like you to tick or fix your work. And then give yourselves a huge silent cheer. Well done. You have worked really, really hard this week in your phonics, and I look forward to seeing you next week.